Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for your love and support. I really appreciate you. Channel members, big up yourself. Silent viewers, thank you. As you can see by the title, I am making cheap, simple, easy breakfast under $3. The staple and the protein is under $3. The seasoning from my pantry and refrigerator.
Share them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have 2 sardines that cost $1 each, so that's $2. And here I have 2 plantains, 2 for 50 cents. But I'm just gonna use one of the plantain. The seasoning, which is the pepper, the onion, the tomato, and the parsley, they came from the refrigerator. Also my black pepper, my garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and the oil. So let's get into this. So here I cut the sardines open. And as I said, one of these sardines costs $1. So I'm opening the 2 of them, and you know I normally cut the sardines open and take that stuff from in the middle. So that's what I do. I don't know if you do it, if you eat sardine, but that's what I do. So when I'm finished, they're going to be smaller because I'm going to cut all of them open. Okay? So yes, this is what it looks like after finishing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cook down my sardine nicely. I'm adding some oil to the pot.
So check it out now for all of the best recipes. Sister J, oh gosh, man, I need some of that.
So now I'm adding the onions,
Sister J,
followed by the tomato and the bell pepper, along with the parsley and the hot pepper. Yes, so we're just gonna saute this down. Over here I have the oil on the fire. Now I'm adding the plantain. As I said, I'm just gonna use one plantain. So we come back to the pepper and the tomato and the onion, and I'm adding some garlic powder, some complete seasoning, and I'm sauteing this down for 2 minutes. So as soon as the tomato cook, because I want my pepper to be crunchy. Yes, so I'm adding some ketchup to that. It's like a tablespoon of ketchup. So now I'm adding the sardine. Then I will add the black pepper to that. So I'm just covering the sardine with the pepper and the tomato and the onion, so it can take time and simmer down. Now I'm putting some black pepper, and then I'm gonna mix up everything. Yes, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna just have this saute down for another 2 minutes.
Caribbean cuisine. Best foods.
Yes, guys, this sardine, this sardine tastes good. It's the one with the Louisiana hot sauce. Oh yes. So now I'm tending to my plantains over here. And yes, guys, as you know, it's the green plantains. So I'm just gonna press it and then put them back to the oil.
cook food best. Sister J, Sister J food are the best. Say it give a fever.
So I have them on a paper towel, and I'm just
going
gonna press
Sister J food are the best, just believe.
one at a time.
Sister J when I mean for be rude, but
There
from your
you
pussy
have it.
recipe,
My
it doesn't
plantain
get
is already
views.
pressed,
Could
so
I
I'm
sing
putting
the
them back
library
in the
proof?
oil
Everybody knows
to
Sister
fry
J have the
nicely.
best food and
Some
place
people
of
sprinkle
the
salt in it
best.
and
Know
give
the
it a
rest.
nice
Play
taste and
sweet
flavor.
notes up on the
But I'm not putting any salt in this one.
for the recipe them. Play some
And there you
food
have
of
it, my
mix.
lovely people.
Our spices them mix.
My
Give you the
low budget
definition of
breakfast.
food.
Plantain with sardine.
The best.
On the side,
Best,
I have
best.
some
Sister
olives
J.
and picker.
Caribbean cuisine.
I
don't know
thank
the
you
best
so
food
much
is
for
not
watching.
right, I tell you. So you want the best recipes?
Please remember to like,
Sister J,
share,
channel
and
right
comment.
now.
If you
check it
haven't
out
yet
now for all the best
subscribed,
recipes.
what are you
Sister
waiting
J.
on? Just go ahead, man. Do the do.
Food right now.
Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be
Sister
safe.
J.
Eat good, live good, walk good. Most of all, pray good.
Sister
One
J.
love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Caribbean cuisine.
Please subscribe for more delicious recipes.
Yeah.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say.